Let's get to the trader rundown now. Joining us for that is Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives. Always nice to have you on the show, Tim. And what are you watching? A lot of people are talking about the S&P 500 crawling closer to a new record.
Yeah, hard to believe that we're knocking on the door of all-time highs, given what's happened over the past, 5 months or so. But yet here we are. And I think it's that, yin and yang between valuations certainly getting stretched historically, but money uber cheap. So I think, we may have difficulty breaking out convincingly, just given the fact we've had this heck of a run. But certainly the S&P finally outperforming those big NASDAQ names here over the past 8 days. S&P has been up every day. The Apples of the world finally showing a little bit of weakness. They got stretched. Apple at one point was worth 90% from a market cap perspective of the entire Russell 2000. So that rotation out of the mega cap NASDAQ names to more of the value names, the stodgy names, I think will continue, although I think that may be coming to an end here sometime soon, which may staunch this rally.
Tim, how are you playing this vaccine situation with Russia coming out and saying good to go?
I think it's very short-term nature. We saw it even earlier when the COVID crisis began, where, treatments and vaccine hopes seem to, lift the market, but that lift is short-lived, to say the least. What we saw yesterday with Russia on the opening, the stocks immediately kind of discounted that, and as our experts here say, I don't think a vaccine is coming certainly anytime soon here. So I think you can kind of discount it if you're a very short-term trader. Maybe it's meaningful, but for me, it's a longer-term trader. Maybe a good time if you do get that lift, trim out of some positions, because inevitably those, vaccine hopes seem to fizzle out here. So until we get further along in the process, I think vaccines, are months away at best.
Always good to get your trader thoughts. Thanks so much, Tim.
You bet, anytime, Andrew.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.